First time I think to multiply 1/5 by 5 and cancel the 5's. That gives me 5 divided by 1, which equals 5. But that's actually wrong. We have to follow the correct order of operations. In this expression, we have both division and multiplication. Since they have the same priority, we work from left to right. So first, we do 5 divided by 1/5. Dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. In other words, we flip the fraction. That means we get 5 times 5 over 1, and we still have another 5 to multiply. Now it's easy. 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 equals 125. That's our final answer. Did you get the correct answer? Let me know in the comments and see you in the next video.